So hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to request for troops in Clash of Clans. So that's pretty cool, pretty simple, especially for beginners. So first of all, you have to join in a clan, and to join in a clan normally click on the join button, and here you will see an option join now. Click on it, and here you will see some clans. Just pick your favorite clan and just request to join the clan. So if you want to join in a clan, normally click on the clan and you will see an icon here, join. Just normally click on that. So I'm just going to join in this clan, clicking on the join button, and I'm clicking on this I understand button. And now you will see an icon on your clan, and it's a clan castle. So normally click on that building and you will see another option here, request. Normally click on this request button. And then if you want to select your customized troops that you want, normally you can set them by clicking on this pencil icon, by choosing them from here. And after then, if you want to get only higher level of donations, then you can check this box also. So after then, click on this confirm button, and normally just click on this send button. And here you will see an interface like this, that you have wanted some troops from your clan members, and here you can see that someone is donating me. So that's it. That's very simple, and here you can see that the troops are coming in my base. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. This is all about how you can get some troops and how you can request troops in Clash of Clans. So see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.